take some adjectives. Okay. These are very much important adjectives. Okay. Alto, alta. Alta is for female, alto is for male. Soy alto. The man can say soy alto. The woman can say soy alta. I am tall. It is a permanent quality. You can't change it. Okay. Bajo, bajita. Short. Okay. Baja, bajo, baja. Gordo, gorda. Gordita también. Gordo, gordita. Fat. Gordo is fat. Okay. Delgado. Thin. Delgado, delgada.
Ma'am, please scroll up the
Yeah.
page.
Yeah, pardon?
Ma'am, please scroll up the page. Scroll up.
Up.
Yes, ma'am. Wait. This I will take the screenshot. That's why I'm telling you.
Yeah, this is this I have done correction. Okay. This is not correct one. I did the correction na that time.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
not the correct one.
So, ma'am, of ubicación,
Ubicación on location.
for ubicación, will I take the screenshot?
Yeah, take it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Feliz, happy. Triste, sad. Limpio, clean. Limpio, limpia. Always see what I have written with this slash. That means gender. Sucio, sucia, dirty. For example, my house, casa. Casa sucia. Okay, dirty. Casa is female gender. La casa está sucia. Okay, está, not es. Because you are going to change the condition of that house to limpia. Okay. If I will say mi piso. Piso. It's one floor in the apartment. Mi piso sucio. Está sucio. Okay. Piso is male gender. El piso está sucio. Okay. Dirty. Sorprendido, sorprendida, surprised. Enojado, enojada, angry. Casado, cansado, cansada, tired. Fácil, easy. Difícil, difficult. Verdadero, verdadera, true. Mentira, mentira, false. Caro, costly, very costly. Caro, cara. Barato, barata. Barato is cheap. Barata. You must have to write actually. Otherwise, you're going to forget. Tranquilo, tranquila. Calm. Ruidoso, ruidosa. Noisy. Nuevo, nueva. New. Antiguo, antigua. Old. Mayor. Elder. Menor. Younger. Okay. Interesante, interesting. Aburrido. Aburrida. Boring. Esta es una persona muy aburrida. Is a boring person. Grande, big. Pequeño, pequeña, small. Pequeño, pequeña. Mucho, mucho amor. Poco, poca. Less. Hombre alto, bajo. Alto is tall. Bajo is short. Okay, hombre, man. Chico, delgado. Delgado is thin. Panda, gordo. Gordo is fat. Just write them. Alto, bajo. Okay, I will share mine later. First to see this. Niña, rubia. Rubia is blonde. Okay. Mujer, morena. Morena is brunette.
What did
Una
you say? More.
Morena is brunette. Brunette.
Brunette.
Yeah, brunette color. This wheatish color, you can say wheatish.
Mm.
Hmm. Then casa grande. Casa is home. Grande, big. Abeja pequeña. Abeja is honeybee. Pequeña, small. Pequeña, pequeño. According to noun, gender is going to change adjective also. Okay, in Spanish. Tío feo, uncle. Feo is ugly. Okay. Chica linda, beautiful. Okay. Muy beautiful. Okay, very beautiful. Guapa, or else you can say. Hombre serio, serious, feliz, happy. Niña triste, sad. Gusano largo. Okay. Largo is large. Largo is large. Corto is small. And you can say like gusano es como the worm. The worm. Okay, worm. Hombre gracioso, man. Very like you can say a very good man, or it is like como is very funny kind of person making funny face. Okay, gracioso. Invierno, frío. Frío is cold. Verano, caliente. Invierno is this winter. Okay. Verano is summer. Caliente is hot. Okay. Gusano corto. Gusano is the worm. Now let's see how you're going to frame simple sentences by using the this thing. Okay. Yeah, read it.
Yes, ma'am, reading. A beautiful house equal to
Una casa.
una casa bonita.
Yeah.
In this case, we use una because the word casa is feminine and singular.
Singular. Sí.
The kids are happy. Los niños son felices. In this case, we use los because the word niños is masculine and plural. Notice that the adjective also has to be plural. Feliz equal to felices.
Felices.
Felices is in plural.
Yeah. Yeah. Feliz, the plural of felices. I said, na, you will make it plural by adding es to it if it is consonant.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bonita, bonita, beautiful. Las mujeres bonitas, plural, feminine. Deliciosa, delicious. Unas manzanas deliciosas.
Manzana, no? Manzanas.
Manzanas deliciosas, plural, feminine.
Feliz.
Feliz, happy. Una familia feliz, singular, feminine. Triste, sad. Un
Abuelo.
abuelo, un abuelo triste, singular, masculine.
Masculine. Familia is family. Abuelo is grandfather.
Pequeño,
Pequeña.
pequeño, small. Un gato pequeño,
Pequeño.
pequeño, singular, masculine. Bueno, good. Un hotel bueno.
Un hotel, not hotel, hotel.
Un hotel bueno, singular, masculine.
Gato is cat. Now, let's see.
Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Hey guys, welcome back to another great lesson of the Language Tutor Spanish. This is lesson 66. And in this lesson, we're going to be talking about something that one of you suggested. I was out there on the Language Tutor Spanish Facebook page and I said, hey, what do you guys need from me? And got a lot of great suggestions and they're coming soon. I'm telling you, I've already made a list. But this one is a viewer suggestion, and it is about how nouns and adjectives work together. You know, we've always said adjectives come after the noun, right? We've always said that, you know, and that's a general rule. And don't forget that rule, okay, because that's still a general rule that typically the adjective comes after a noun. Here's an example. If I were to say, she has a red blouse. Ella tiene una blusa roja. Okay, so there you go. It's a blouse red. And of course, we modify that adjective to match blusa, which is feminine, so it's roja.
The colors, always remember colors also adjective, na? Okay. So the adjective in Spanish, what happened? It will come later in the end. Okay. So in if you will say a beautiful girl in English, in Spanish you can say una chica guapa o bonita o linda. Okay. In the end. Got it? Yeah.
Now, adjective comes after the noun.
Yes. Adjective will come at the end after the noun, not before the noun. In English it is a beautiful girl, right? Beautiful girl.
Yes, we do.
It is in Spanish a girl beautiful. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Colors we will do also.
All right. So don't forget what you already know. That's going to stay the same. All right. But there are some exceptions. Sometimes I've referred to these people as troublemakers because they have to break the rules. But there are some exceptions. And in certain cases, we're going to put that adjective in front of the noun. Okay. So that's what I want to go over.
Sometimes we can put the adjective before the noun. Okay. So let's see what he's saying.
During this lesson, I do want to go ahead and tell you that you may want to get something to write on. And this might be one of those episodes that you have to start over several times, because I'm going to go ahead and tell you at the end of this episode, I'm going to give you a list of words that can go in either place. We're going to talk about the differences in whether it goes in the front of the noun or after the noun. So you might have to back it up a few times to get those words down in your list. Okay. But let's get things going. Let's kick it off and let's see if we can sort this out. All right. So yes, typically the adjectives go after the noun, but here are some exceptions. Okay. Now, first of all, you pretty much already know some of these exceptions, but just want to go over them really quick, you know, because sometimes, you know, I've had students that they'll learn something, but then when I bring in something new, they start confusing what they already knew. So we don't want to bring in something new and confuse what we already know. So stand on what you know and keep doing what you're doing with those things. Here's an example of what I'm talking about. Possessive adjectives, first of all. We know possessive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, they go in front of the noun. Like if I said my mother, mi madre, okay, that's an example of an adjective that's going to go in front of the noun. Our house, nuestra casa, we know that's going to go in front. This marker, este marcador, okay, so that's an example of how it would go in front of the noun also. All right, so keep doing what you're doing with those. We don't have to worry. We already got those down. Now, I'll go ahead and introduce to you a category of words that we're going to use in front of the noun, and that is adjectives that define quantity. Okay? Here's an example. Numbers. Hay 9 casas en la calle. There are 9 houses on the street. Okay? 9. That's an example of one that would go in front of the noun. We know that numbers go in front. So here's another one. Él tiene más dinero que su amigo. He has more money than his friend. That más is going to go in front of the noun. So really, that's like the English, you know, more money, less money. Those things are going to stay just like we know them, okay? So más, the word menos, as I mentioned a second ago, less. The word pocas or pocos, few. There are very few. If I say, hey, there are very few pieces of candy left. Somebody's been eating them. All right, that pocas, that would be an example of one that goes in front of the noun. The word enough, suficiente. We have enough food. She has enough food. Suficiente. That would be a good example of one that goes in front of the noun as well. All right.